cash accumulated. Soon as we came in the game, all these niggas they imitated. Put my mind on it, then I put my grind on it.
Any beat, the producer.
No, I look completely different. This doesn't really even look like me anymore. It really doesn't. But as you can see, I'm rocking a new color today, and I rarely ever do color. Last time I did color, I literally did color for like 4 days, and that was like that burgundy color. I've also tried the green one, but you guys know, like, I don't wear color for that long, like ever. I don't wear color for that long. But anyway, today I will be reviewing this really pretty ash blonde wig. Your girl never thought she would be sitting here reviewing a wig, a blonde wig at that, but here we are, right? So this wig is from GoBeautyNY. I will link them down below, and I'll also link the link to this wig down below. So I purchased this wig a few weeks ago. It's literally just been sitting in the corner of my house because, you know, I'm very lazy, and I haven't done a review on it. But today I decided to actually plop it on and do a review on it. So this is the Lyna long wig. Everybody knows about the Lyna short, like the bob wig. I'm probably gonna insert like a whole bunch of videos from like everywhere. It's literally all over YouTube. Everybody knows about the Lyna wig, but I was never really interested in that wig just because it was so bumped. Like, it was such a bob, like such a bob, you know. It wasn't like a long bob, which is what I'm really into. It was like really short, and it was so bobbed. It was so bumped. Anyway, I wasn't really into that. And a few weeks ago, I noticed that they came out with the Lyna long, and the color, I mean, this was the color that I was so attracted to. I'm always attracted to ash blonde, but I've always been scared to try it. So I decided this time I'm gonna get out my comfort zone and try a ash blonde wig, you know. Plus it's a little safe. Like, the roots are dark, they're like brown, they're not black. So if it's starting off as black, that's not the real color. It's like little light brown. It's not like sharp black where, you know, that's just a little too weird. But yeah, this wig is synthetic as well. I love the way the color like goes. Like, you guys see like the way it transitions into each other. It's not just so sharp like some wigs where the color is just so sharp. Anyway, yeah, this is the Lyna long. I'm gonna look up the color that I got because I threw away the whole packaging and everything like that, and then we'll really talk about the structure of the wig. It's TT6/23. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll link the direct link to the wig down below, so you guys, you know, if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it. But yeah, it'll be linked down below. So I got TT6/23. That's the color I got. Very nice ash blonde. And yeah, let's talk about the construction of the wig. So the wig has 2 combs right here in the front, and I believe 1 in the back. I don't ever use my combs because my head is pretty big. These wigs pretty much fit me like a glove, you know, especially Bobby Boss wigs. This is a Bobby Boss wig. Yeah, it is. It's a Bobby Boss wig. You guys, I've done a review on the Yara wig before by Bobby Boss, and that wig fits me perfectly. So I know like Bobby Boss wigs just always fit me snug. Like this right here, it fits so well, and I'm not using any of the combs whatsoever. Like, I glued this down. The lace is pretty average, you know, regular Bobby Boss synthetic lace. It's not like light lace because, you know, this is synthetic. The lace is a little bit thick, but it does glue down. Like, I've glued mine's right now is glued down with Got To Be free spray. I plucked a few pieces of hair. Literally, literally count how many pieces. Probably about 8 to 9 pieces of hair I plucked from here to here, just trying to open it up a little bit. I put my what is it? I put my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder right here in my, you know, my skin tone powder, so it could blend better. It did pretty good. Like, I also put, when I put the powder, I don't just put it like on the outside, I also put it on the inside, like under the lace. It just completely covers up the dark knots, like the dots on the lace. The minute you put it under the lace as well and on top of it, it completely covers up the lace. So this is it's pretty good. And like I said, it's glued down, so that's why it looks so flat right here. So you are able to glue it down as well. Some synthetic wigs, it's very hard to glue down the lace, seriously, very hard. But yeah, this lace is pretty good. The hair sheds. It sheds. Not like crazy shedding, but it sheds. Okay, it does shed. But I believe that's, I mean, not all synthetic wigs, but most wigs, they shed. This one sheds too, so yeah, I really like it a lot. Like, it's such a pretty color. It definitely takes me out of my comfort zone. You don't ever see me a blonde wig, sis, no. And I decided to just try a synthetic blonde wig for my first time, because I was really scared to like get something that's so expensive and the color ends up scaring me, or I put it on and I'm like completely scared of like walking outside with it. But I'm not scared of this at all. It's such a pretty color. Now I know what kind of ashy blonde color looks really nice on my skin tone, because I really feel like it complements my skin tone. Like, the ash blonde color really does look nice on chocolate. But yeah, what else is there to say about this hair? I haven't had any tangling yet, but then again, I haven't worn it really for that long, so you guys will get a review again on this hair, see how long it lasts. What else is there to say about this hair? Yeah, the shape of it. So since it's like it's not just straight hair, you guys, it does have like a little bit of shape at the end, I guess, like to mimic Lyna short, because Lyna short is like a little bump. So this is supposed to be like a longer bob, but to me it doesn't really feel like a long bob. But do you guys see the ends, the way it's like flipped and stuff? You guys can see it here too, or here. Yeah, it's like a little flip. So it's like a long bob kind of thing. It's like a long bob. And they have so many colors, just like the Yara wig. You guys know how many colors the Yara wig came in, right? It came in like freaking 6-7 colors, different colors. It's the same with this one. They have so many different colors. Let me see. Yep, I see black 1B. This looks like a brown, like a 4 or something. They have 613 in this hair. Burgundy, I see blue, this color, the ash blonde. They have 1B with 613, so the lighter color of this, the lighter blonde. They have teal, they have gray. I wonder how the gray would look like. The gray would look, I know the gray would look really nice. And then they just have 613. Yep, TT6, 613, 613. I can never say that number. But yeah, let me show you guys. Like, I put one piece behind my ear and it looks so good to me. I don't know why. But it looks really nice with a side part. So you guys can see, like, if you want to just leave it out without putting it behind your ear, it looks just like that, regular. That's how I came on camera, you know, regular. Or you can have it one piece behind your ear. Yeah, I don't know, I like it this way as well. So it's, you know, you can switch it up. I've also tried this side part, like I just moved it a little bit to the side and it looks good too. So you can just move it around, but normally the wig is the middle part. So if you switch it to the side, you're gonna have to like put one side behind your ear so this part can like even out with this side. or is it the other way around, you know? So one side just doesn't look a little too long and uneven. But it does work, because when I first tried on the wig, like I was moving it around just trying to see like what it does and everything like that. But the wig overall is really good. Like I already know it's gonna be bomb. I love Bobbi Boss synthetic wigs, like I really do. The Yara wig took me, like just gave me everything I need to know about the company, like Bobbi Boss, good hair company. And like I said, I got this from Go Beauty New York on their site, and they gave, my shipping was so fast. I don't know if I'm missing anything else on this review, but you guys will definitely get a second review on this hair. It will probably be like a month or 2 months from now, so be on the lookout for that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I will link this this wig down below. I am actually in love with it, so if you really like this wig as well, you can purchase it in the link down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys.